What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka 2 Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And today, it might be a long one. At least my time is going to be a long one. I'm not sure how long the video is going to be, but we'll go ahead and get to that. Today, I'm going to be hanging out with the homie Angelo. We're going to do a few things to the cars, little touch-ups here and there, and we'll hang out for a bit. And then later tonight, we'll be heading over to Speedzone, Orlando, for the actual Monday night meet. So definitely stay tuned for that. Also should be linking up with some of the homies at for the lineup as well when we get there. So we'll see who we run into today. Alright, so I've been playing around with the settings on the camera, changed the FPS from 29 to 60. So let me know if you notice a difference. I was trying to go to 4K, but it zoomed in way too much with this lens, and yeah, it didn't look pretty good. So that's gonna have to be something for cinematic or something like that. But just washed the car a little bit earlier today. Don't know if it'll be cold enough to do a cold start, but we'll go ahead and give it a shot, because I did move the car over a little and I raised it up, but we'll see how it sounds in just a moment. But I did want to address a few things. A few people have been asking me what happened to Fitted Squad and all of the members. So I want to let you guys know that Fitted Squad wasn't an official club or anything. I know we had a banner on, but Fitted Squad was really, it's just people who want to support my YouTube and everything. The homies who've been showing a lot of support. And I know a lot of them had Ultimas and Maximas, and we did link up and everything. That was more of who I was attracting around in the area. That wasn't intentional or anything like that. And the lineup is not an extension of the Fitted Squad or anything like that. But yeah, and also Fitted Squad, you don't have to be specifically in this area or anything like that. Right now I did go away from the actual banners. Probably going to do support stickers again here soon. So stay tuned for that, and let me know down below if you're interested in anything like that. But yeah, definitely going to do something else with Fitted Squad. It's not done or anything. And as far as a lot of the members, almost everybody kind of switched cars. I mean, the homie Brandon and Franz still have their Ultimas. Brandon kind of moved away. He's out of that area, so that's why you haven't really been seeing him too much. Franz been cooking with a few other things lately, so that's the only reason there. Just about everybody else is, like I said, moved on to other platforms and stuff like that, but they're definitely still in the general area. Just haven't really had time and haven't linked up like that, but we'll definitely see some out. Now we do still have a few who do still have Ultimas. I've been trying to see if we can link up and get them out, but it's just timing, really. It's just been kind of all over the place. But yeah, I'm still rock with everybody, and nobody was cut off or anything weird like that. So that's just the state of where that is. But I definitely appreciate all the questions and everything. But yeah. So I did lower it down to my ride height. Gonna work on getting that undershroud taken off today. And I don't think I'm gonna go any lower, but we'll see. This is usually pretty comfortable. Safe and comfortable. I definitely feel like I can go lower in the rear, but like I said, it's safe and comfortable, so it's probably where I'm gonna be at for now. Alright, so yeah, I didn't record at Angelo's at all. We just chilled. We didn't really do too much. But as you can see, I'm here at Speedzone. and we are lined up. I'll get the front line up here in a second. It's just a bunch of people in the front. I didn't even get to say what's up to everybody yet. So yeah, and this guy, he's not officially with us, but I mean, look like it should be. But no, he's with a squad. I forgot what squad they said he's with, but definitely dope. And see that's kind of different. There we go. Well, it ain't gonna focus too long, but you get it. But yeah, as often as I go to Speedzone, I'm surprised it's my first time coming to this since it's been back. But yeah, these speed bumps is something else. I was riding with them on the freeway. Alright, they were great. Quite a few squads out here. Yeah. Alright. They're looking pretty good. Dope cars out here. Technically started half an hour ago. Got here with good timing. Oh, boys, let me know which one is your favorite car here. Let's see if we can get the line up this way. Banner, I believe, still got to get that. Javi has it. And then this is one who's not the member. Excuse me. Excuse me.
Oh, really? Yeah.
Okay, here we go.
Yeah, I'm like.
There we go.
I do the rear.
I'll be right back. There we go.
You got it. You just got it.
Hello. We're gonna have to get that one. Let's take a look. Look at that. That's dope. That's pretty dope. And the mask in there. Definitely gotta get that. Let's see who owns this. Make sure to follow. That's pretty dope. I'm feeling it. Love that color. Been thinking about that for a wrap color a lot lately, or something close to that. Looks like they got the doors open at Speedzone, so I'm gonna have to go check them out in a second. Yeah, let me go over there in a second. Finish out here real quick.
Boy, look what it is.
What's up? I'm gonna have to give me a good thumbnail here too. Look at that. That is dope. I don't know. Okay, yeah, you can see the light on the plate in the front. But yeah, I gotta find a homie here. One of the homies. Oh, and Unity. They out. What's up? Alright. Just added them on Instagram. Pretty dope. Saw some of our people come in. Not sure where they went. But also, look at that. But yeah, I gotta get the back. Let me just see who's around. There we go. So they haven't parked yet. But they still parking. See? like a glove. Car is dope.
Gonna buy them sweets.
Alright, let's see. It's definitely pretty dope. Pretty chill. Oh. That's pretty cool.
You guys have I hope I see you at the event, man.
It would be dope. Definitely look good. These speed bumps is getting people. Even stock car people having trouble. Yeah, it's pretty chill vibe here. All right. Yeah, pretty much got everything. Got something coming in. A lot of people leaving as well. But yeah, Monday pop out. Probably gonna do some shows. I'll definitely be back here at some point as well. The weather's pretty good for us. I know you probably seen people with blankets and hoodies on. It is, let's see, 62 degrees. So you know what that is for Florida. But yeah, let me go ahead and end the video here. I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Oh, actually no, let's go ahead and do the comment of the day. The comment of the day goes out to, and if you'd like to be selected for comment of the day, make sure you leave a comment down below. Who knows, you could be next. I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, stay fitted. Peace.